Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Najuddin bin Adam. I'm from class DTP 1A. My metric number is 09DTP20F2007. My lecturer's name is Kamarul Aina binti Muhammad. Today, I am going to discuss about the sport of badminton that you may not know. The first is the objective of the sport of badminton, which you may want to know in more deep about the objective of the sport of badminton. Okay, now let's me continue with the discussion on the objective of the sport of badminton. And without further ado, let's go. Nowadays, sport in society are less and less because they are busy working. Therefore, it is not surprising if we see at a young age already suffering from chronic disease experienced at a young age because they do not care about health. Therefore, sport and improve health because we make a lot of movement while doing a sport. For example, badminton, this sport can produce sweat and indirectly improve one health. There are many benefits we get when we do a sport, no matter whether the sport is played by children or elders. Apart from that, we can dig out talent to play badminton because there are many national badminton figures that we can use inspiration such as Dato' Lin Chow Wei. Young boys can also dig out talent because they are more with their young age. They tend to be more fit for sports such as badminton. Next, we go to the goodness of the sport of badminton. Now we are going to talk about the benefit. First, badminton can also help the body to cope with stress. Badminton can help individual by reducing the symptom of depression. Easy palpitations. Playing badminton can help feeling become more positive, strong and motivated. It can also help get away from daily problems for a while. Second, can increase body flexibility because the sport of badminton requires good body flexibility. The more we move, the body becomes flexible because it makes hand movement reach the ball height and do many movements such as jumping and reaching. This can indirectly make the body more flexible. Third, reduce even eliminate the risk of some health problems such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. It can also maintain bone density. In addition, this sport helps burn the most calories, up to 450 calories, compared to running, diving, or playing football. Next, a lot of movement can also strengthen muscle and joints. Like every shot of a badminton ball do train the muscle of the hand and in the waist area. Therefore, it will help shape the body well. Badminton can help for muscle growth in the back, tight muscle in back. Strong muscle and joint will prevent injury while exercising or doing daily activities. After that, can also be able to represent Malaysia on a larger level because it can open the eyes of young people about the sport of badminton. In addition, the sport of badminton can also dig out talent such as holding badminton match in each area to dig our talent and at the same time can be the backbone of badminton players to the country. Better against the sport of badminton. Next, can increase stamina when playing badminton. Stamina that can help to do an activity without getting tired easily. Apart from that, the stamina can also be formed through the sport of badminton because this sport requires a lot of movement and a badminton match is played for quite some time. But the stamina also depends on the age factor because young people are more active in sport than other people. Lastly, able to maintain mental health because when play sport can feel relaxed and happy after doing sport. This is because exercise can increase the hormone serotonin in the central nervous system, so do it will cause feeling of pleasure, increase appetite, and reduce stress. The busyness of all walks of life lead to physical and mental health. Involvement in sport can also deal with stress and ease mental load. Last but not least, the conclusion of this whole idea is this sport is very important to society regardless of age because the sport can have a great impact on a person, especially to young people who can produce more national sportsmen. Involvement in sport has also brought many benefits. Therefore, all age groups are encouraged to participate in all types of sport are active because sport can create a health, valuable and competitive society. Finally, sport activities should be encouraged to all levels of society regardless of age or young age.